Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Meta AI keeps crashing, do not worry. This is a common issue and easy to fix. First, head over to your settings app and then go to general or iPhone storage. Then check your phone's storage because low space can cause the app to crash. Next, close all the background apps that are running and then restart or reopen the Meta AI app again. Now restart your phone to clear the temporary system errors. Next, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Meta AI and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. Also, check if your phone software is also updated because outdated apps often cause crash. If it still crashes, clear the app's cache or reinstall the app completely. Also, check your phone software is updated because system issue can also cause crashing. Now your Meta app should work smoothly again. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next